Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel, honey. So girl, I was on Instagram, I was having ideas in my brain, woke up in the morning, I was like, I got so many ideas what I want to do, so let me just ask the fucking people. So I asked y'all, do y'all want me to teach y'all how to get better and longer brows? And I'm gonna share like some little tricks, like if you're a natural little girl, like me, if you're a natural little boy or whatever, how to get longer brows. So, we're doing this channel, honey. Start the music. Okay, so right now y'all see how I got my eyebrows don't look too bad, but like, girl, they're not brushed up, they're not done, they're not brushed up, they're not done. It doesn't look what I desire. So here's a damn thing that I do, and y'all can judge me all you want. You can judge me all you want, but this is how I do it, the black way. So I take this used fucking like toothbrush. I take this used toothbrush that I literally have never brushed my teeth with. My mama haven't brushed her teeth with. No one has ever brushed their teeth with. We just been using it and using it and using it. So the first thing I do, I brush it up like this. Just like this. I brush the other one up. Girl, you see how the difference are between them? They're very brushed up, And so then I take this and go like this, because I don't want like the hairs. You see how like it gave that shape, that good old shape? That's what I did. I literally just did that and just went like that. Easy, right? And do the other side, girl. Other side, just go like that. Bam. Okay, we're not done. So, lately, when I get my haircut, when my uncle does my haircut, right? He will literally, like, you see how my eyebrow look like right here? It's so short, like the tail is so short. And the tail over here is kind of long, a little bit long, but it's not too long. He cut the freaking eyebrow, like right here and right here. So, I get this right here. It's kind of like a eyebrow, an eyeliner thing. I don't know. My mama uses it. I don't give a fuck. I use it sometimes when my uncle cuts the brow. So, we're just going to put this on. And so, what I do, I literally just take this and go like this. Hold on. I go like this. I'm going to fix it in a minute, so don't judge me. Go like this. I literally just go like this. You see? I'm gonna do the other side. Oh yes, bitch. Yeah. Oh yes. We make them a little longer. You see how long they look now? They look long. They have like a little like length to them and stuff like that. Let me fix this one up. Over here, it looks like very wonky. I don't like that. So I try to like blend it in. I blend it in, do the same thing. Blend it in. Like this. I literally try to blend this. I try to blend this into, And sometimes this one over here is like my problem side. Like I literally hate this side so much. But, I have to live with what I have. Let me tell you a little short story what I did when I was like in 2nd grade. So I took some scissors and I literally cut this like this right here. I literally cut that so it's not like the same as this. Like this one has more hair, this one don't. when I tell you that I regret it almost every single goddamn day. So yeah, I'm a perfectionist, so I just keep on going through it. So yeah, that's literally how I do it every single day. I don't change anything, I don't do anything, but I am gonna show y'all and tell y'all the secrets that I do to grow your eyebrows out. I'm to grow them out, like honestly. So, wait a goddamn minute, I gotta go get the bottle. Shit. Okay, so what I use is this Originals by Africa's Best Curry Tea Tree Oil Therapy. So I use this on my face, I use it on my body sometimes, but the most thing I use it on is my eyebrows. I don't use this like right now. I'm not gonna use it right now because I would go in public like this, so I wouldn't want oil on my like eyebrows. You get what I'm saying? And honestly, I just want to look in the mirror and just like do this, because doing it on the phone literally gets on my nerves. We wanted to look the most natural way possible. And this over here is like getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna get some water. And take that off because it's getting on my nerves. Okay. And I always hold my mouth open. I don't know why. I always hold my mouth open when I do this. I'm like, I'm crazy. And I'm a perfectionist. So, back to this. Okay, so I use this Originals by Africa's Best Curry Tea Tree Oil Therapy or whatever. It's a fucking mouthful. I use this on my eyebrows during the night. And baby, when I use this like at least twice a week. At least twice a week. And it like literally grows my eyebrows back. So I got my haircut done like yesterday. So with my uncle, when he cuts my eyebrow, like cuts over here and probably over here sometimes, I will literally put this on there and just like let it work. Just let it do its thing. You get what I'm saying? And the next product that I use is this, you know, fucking Vaseline. I have no more Vaseline in here, girl. Mama gonna go buy some more, girl. But we got a little bit. It's a little bit enough. So don't do that. Anyway, I use Vaseline on my eyebrows too, because Vaseline, it just like it absorbs in there and it just like grows them out. I have proof that it has grows them out. Like honestly, no, I don't have proof. God damn it, Bruce. Stop deleting shit. Anyway, I don't have proof, but I guarantee this right here literally will grow your eyebrows out. And also, do not, I repeat, do not touch your fucking eyebrows. If you want to grow your eyebrows out, do not go get them threaded, waxed, or anything. Literally just brush them up. I see some of you hoes out there, y'all just be like, you know, y'all be like, oh, that's little hairs and stuff. It'd be like mush like it was in the beginning, like at the beginning of the video. It was all mush and stuff. Y'all be getting your eyebrows waxed and don't even let the person brush your eyebrows up to make your eyebrows look full. You don't do that. Like, y'all, like, girl, leave your eyebrows alone and you'll be completely fine. And another thing that I use is this fucking hairspray. I use hairspray on my eyebrows. Let me put that on actually, since I'm like, you know. So I first applied on the fucking toothbrush. Now, you know, I just go through it like this. So, as I'm doing this, it literally makes your eyebrows stay together. It literally makes your eyebrows stay together all day long. I don't never have to like go through it and like, you know, make it stay or whatever, girl. I don't know. But all I know is it does not move. My eyebrows, they stay the same. Everything be Gucci. And I'll just be okay with it. So, yeah. That's the last step, honey. I hope y'all like this video. And I hope y'all got some tips from it. I thank y'all for watching. You know I love you. I thank y'all for literally just watching, like giving me a fucking view. Like even one view or 26 views, I don't give a fuck. As long as y'all know that I live for this, I'm good. So I thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to be yourself and no one else. I see you hoes later. Bye, y'all.
You're awesome, right?